So this is the gold right now. If it is content, learn the material. And if it's test taking, you have to practice learning how to answer questions. Now, again, those resources are awesome, UWorld and Amboss, but I would say to this doctor answering this, and many of you using UFAP, if you're struggling, get out of UWorld. If you have a membership, okay, big deal. You invested some money into membership. You don't want to just use something because you have access to. It's like saying, well, these sneakers suck, but I'm going to wear them anyway. Yeah, but there's holes on them. Yeah, I'm going to wear them anyway because I don't want to waste them. No, you keep UWorld to the side. You invest a little bit in Amboss, for example, because Amboss gives you everything. Step 1, step 2, step 3. You're a DO, great. There's actually license board. There's license exams on there too. And then later, when you figure out, because if you don't work with me, I can't help you. So if you don't want to work with me, then you have to find why you're getting it wrong. Amboss will show you, hey, this is what your thought process was. This is what it should be. This is the key findings you need to know. And then once you know why you're getting these questions wrong, then go back to UWorld. So if you're doing this, guys, if you're using QBanks, and you know what it is, I get haters all the time. I love it. I love the haters. I want more haters on my social media. I want you guys to hate me because it sounds weird. Many of you guys, oh, yeah, what you're saying doesn't make sense. What do you mean? I got thousands of doctors who are passing every year. Oh, yeah, but my friend did it 3 times and he passed. Your friend did UWorld 3 times. How long did it take? Oh, I don't know. It could have taken him 1.5 years, 2 years, right? I can get you past in 6 months. So you want to waste 3 years of your life? Go ahead. That's why the haters I love. Because it's not that I'm saying things to hear my voice. I'm saying things that I know works. So if you want to waste a long time, yeah, do the same question 3, 4 times. Increase your score, which is a false positive, by the way, because you're going to see the same patients in the same bed in the same hospital over and over and over again. You're like, oh, man, I scored 72%. And I said, well, how many times did you do the QBank? Oh, 3 times. 3 times, okay. So how do you know that the questions that you got right, you didn't get right because you know them? Oh, yeah, I know I didn't memorize them. Okay, good. But you're depending and you're gambling with your future because you're going to walk into a board exam, which is on your record forever, by the way, and then you fail. And you say, well, I don't know what happened. I did what my friend told me to do. I did 3 times the QBank. I spent a year, and I had scored 72%. Yeah, but you did the same questions over and over again. So it gets under my skin, but I love it because I need you guys to understand the severity of things. Don't do the same things over and over again. So that was the answer to that question. If you just jumped on, I did UWorld twice. I scored 45, 50%. What do I do next? Leave UWorld, go to another QBank, and start learning why you're getting the questions wrong. Yeah? All right. All right, guys. Well, listen, I got to get going. I got a lot of stuff to do today. This is always recorded, so it's going to be posted everywhere. So I'm happy you guys jumped on. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy you're jumping on with me. If you want to work with me, just DM the word QBank, QBANK, or QBanks, right? You can send a comment. And then my team will send you a link to your way, and hopefully you could jump on next week. Every Tuesday and Thursday morning, we have live sessions in my closed community, right? My doctors who work with me. And then this is going to be week 2. So on Tuesday, we're doing biochemistry, and Thursday, we're doing cardiology. And overall, every week, we cover different organ systems. It's a structure, it's a schedule that you get access to once you join. And then you become part of the community, right? You become part of the community that we have. Step 1 students, Step 2 students, study partners, and so on.